Hi, and welcome to this section on function parameters. So in this section, we're going to cover arguments and parameters for functions, and we'll look at the formal difference between arguments and parameters. There's actually, a slight difference between how we use these terms. Now, I'll admit I'm the first one to kind of, mix them up and use them interchangeably, and many people do, but technically there's a difference between the two. So we'll talk about that. Then we'll look at positional versus keyword-only arguments that are available to us when we create functions in Python. Also, we'll look at optional arguments by using default values, and we'll look at some of the pitfalls of using default values with mutable types in particular. Then we'll look at unpacking iterables in general, and then how it works in function arguments. We'll also look at extended unpacking. And then once we've done that, we'll be able to start looking at variable number of positional and keyword-only arguments. All right, so let's dive into this section, and I'll see you in a bit.